Why we are sitting inside?
Because there is pollution outside.
So what to do now? It's playing time.
Let's think. Do you have an idea?
I have the idea. Let's make slime because I have slime kit.
Okay,
Let's start making.
Do you have complete accessories to make slime?
Yes, I have. But where are these? Here are these.
Wow!
So let's get started. First we need a container.
And then we need some glue. So we need to put some glue. How much quantity is needed?
Of your choice.
So I'm gonna put a little bit of glue.
Then we want colors.
Okay.
Of your choice. I'm using pink color.
Now we have to put the color in the slime with the help of spatula. Now we are gonna mix it. Now we need glitter color of your choice
We are using red.
and copper color.
Go.
Now we need slime activator. I'm using this one because it's really important for making slime. Let's put it. First one I'm going to open it.
Obviously.
Okay, let's put it. We need 2 caps. Let's put it by little by little.
As you can see, it's forming.
And now we need a little bit more. So we need to mix it as well.
Now it's sticky form, so we have to add more activator.
Let's.
So after mixing this, it is converting in slime.
Now the slime is formed.
auntie yaar.
So
now slime is ready.
formed. See, it's so stretchy.
So please enjoy
Enjoy
our
the
videos and like, share and comment.
Please
subscribe
and
our
press
channel.
the notification bell. भी बोलना था. Notification is important.